Good day everyone, welcome to our video reviewer about typology. In this lesson, we will explore what typology means, why it is important, and how it helps us organize, classify, and understand different types of informations or objects more clearly. But before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. I am Shani Rain de la Cruz, and together with my group mates, Jasmine H. Gafour, Jana Dixim Tanyola, Dina Grace Chope. We will guide you through this topic in a simple and easy to understand way. For introduction, typology is a way of grouping people, objects, or ideas based on similar traits. In education, it helps classify learners, such as those with special needs, into different types so teachers can give the right support, strategies, and interventions that match each learner's abilities and needs. First, we have intellectual disability. It is said that it's a condition that begins before age 22 and involves significant limitation in learning, reasoning, and everyday adaptive skills learners with intellectual disability need extra support because these challenges affect how they understand information, solve problems, communicate, and manage daily tasks. Okay, now we have neurodevelopmental disorders, are conditions that affect how the brain develops, causing difficulties in areas like learning, behavior, communications, or movement. These challenges appear early in life and can impact how a person grows, learns, and interacts with others.
Learners with emotional disorder. Emotional and behavioral disorder, EBD, umbrella term that includes anxiety, depression, OCD, and bipolar. Key features such as difficulty learning, having poor relationships, inappropriate behavior, and physical fears. In summary, typology helps group learners with special needs based on their characteristics in order for teachers to give the proper support they need. It highlights the importance of being able to recognize the different learner needs for inclusive education and emphasize the value of inclusivity, patience, and empathy. This categorizes learners into those with intellectual disabilities, neurodevelopmental disorders, and emotional disorders.
The correct answer is letter B because eyeglasses or contact lenses are commonly used to treat visual problems, allowing individuals to see better. The correct answer is letter B because the text lists dyslexia, dyscalculia, dyspraxia, and dysgraphia as learning disabilities, while physical disabilities are categorized separately. The correct answer is letter B because learning disabilities do not include difficulties primarily due to intellectual, physical, or emotional disabilities, nor those due to environmental or cultural disadvantages.
3, 2,
The correct answer is letter C because learning disabilities are characterized by difficulties in using or understanding spoken or written language, impacting skills like reading and writing. The correct answer is letter B because early interventions programs for children with Down syndrome often include speech, occupational, and physical therapy to help them develop their abilities. The correct answer is letter B. Women 35 or older are more likely to have pregnancies affected by Down syndrome, but most babies with Down syndrome are born to younger mothers due to higher birth rates in that group. The correct answer is letter D. Approximately 1 in every 700 babies born in the US has Down syndrome, making it a common chromosomal condition. The correct answer is letter C. A flattened face is well-known characteristic of Down syndrome, particularly noticeable in the bridge of the nose. The correct answer is letter D because Down syndrome is medically referred to as trisomy 21 due to the presence of an extra copy of chromosome 21. The correct answer is letter B because the risk of cerebral palsy increases with earlier birth and lower birth weight, as well as multiple gestations like twins or triplets. The correct answer is letter B because intellectual impairment is primarily characterized by significant loss in the ability to comprehend new knowledge and develop skills, impacting independence and social functioning. The correct answer is letter D. Cerebral palsy is often caused by a brain injury that occurs during labor and delivery, which can affect multiple areas of the brain and lead to various conditions. The correct answer is letter D because physical impairments can hinder a child's ability to participate in lessons and may distract them due to pain or discomfort, impacting their focus and learning outcomes. The correct answer is letter A. Children with CP may experience anxiety, depression, and low self-worth due to their physical limitations and dependence on others, which can negatively impact their academic performance. The correct answer is letter D. A good treatment plan is crucial as it combines various approaches to maximize learning and developmental opportunities for individuals with cerebral palsy.
The answer is letter B because learners with mild intellectual disability can do basic academic tasks like reading and writing but usually need extra support. The answer is letter B because Truncaut ID means the learner has very limited abilities and depends on others for almost all day tasks. The answer is letter A because cerebral palsy is caused by early brain damage and affects body movement and coordination. The answer is letter B because the Down syndrome is a genetic condition that affects learning and physical appearance. The answer is letter B because autism spectrum disorder affects communication and social interaction, but learners may show strength in specific areas.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter A because ADHD is marked by hyperactivity, impulsiveness, and difficulty focusing.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter A because anxiety disorder involves constant worry, tension, and fear that affect daily life.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter B because depression is more than just sadness. It causes loss of interest, changes in energy, and withdrawal from activities.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter B because OCD involves repetitive behaviors like hand washing to reduce stress from unwanted thoughts.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter A because bipolar disorder alternatives between episodes of mania and depression.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter C because ADHD learners often find it hard to sit still and concentrate for long periods.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter B because moderate ID learners can learn simple skills but need regular support and simplified lessons.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter B because anxiety can make learners feel unsafe, fearful, and withdrawn in social situations.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter A because emotional and behavioral disorders affect how learners manage emotions and interact with others.
Three, two, one.
The answer is letter C because learners with mild ID can complete school tasks at their own pace with added support.